To pair Huawei FreeBuds SE into your PC, you will have to start by opening this charging case. You have to be sure that both earbuds are inside, that you open this cover, that you are also disconnected from any other devices, and that you have charged this case for around 5 or 10 minutes. So now you have to use this small button that is located next to the USB-C port and keep holding this button until this indicator starts blinking white. Now we can release. Be sure that you still keep that case open, put it close to your PC, and on your PC you will have to just start by opening system settings. And then when you open the system settings, you will have to navigate into this bar on the left side and open Bluetooth settings. Then you have to just turn on this pairing mode on your laptop, so click here, then tap to add device and select Bluetooth device. Now you will get all available devices list, and you have to select your Huawei FreeBuds SE3 with the left mouse button. But sometimes earbuds doesn't appear on the list. So what you have to do is just to basically wait. Sometimes you will have to wait for 30 seconds, for 1 minute. Sometimes you will have to repeat this process. Turn off Bluetooth on your PC, enter the pairing mode one more time, and then turn it on back, open devices list and connect. And this is it. Thanks for watching.